अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज हम एक केरला स्टाइल चेमीन स्टर फ्राई, दैट इज चेमीन तोरन प्रॉन्स का स्टर फ्राई बना लेते हैं। दिस गोज वेरी वेल एज एन अकम्पनीमेंट टू एनी सी फूड डिश। कोई भी करी हो एंड बॉइल्ड राइस गोज वेरी वेल विद दैट। डोंट फॉरगेट टू ट्राई इट आउट। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। So for this, I have taken 250 grams of shelled and deveined prawns along with the head. I have cleaned it well and drained the water. Now to this add half a teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well and keep it aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the marinated prawns along with half a cup of water to a mud pot and cook for 5 to 7 minutes on medium to high flame till the prawns are cooked and the water has dried up. Don't overcook the prawns because they'll become rubbery. We need to grind a few ingredients coarsely. Add half a teaspoon of chilli powder, a pinch of pepper powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, a handful of grated coconut and 7 to 8 shallots. Add all these to a mixie jar and just pulse once or twice. I have coarsely ground the masala. This is how I want it to be. Keep it aside for now. Now let's get back to the prawns. The water has dried up. Add the coarsely ground masala to the prawns. Mix well with a very light hand. Now all we have to do is seasoning. Add a tablespoon of coconut oil to a pan. When the oil becomes hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once they splutter, add plenty of curry leaves. Stir and add to the prawn mixture. Mix and switch off the flame. That's it. Prawn thoran is now ready to serve. Goes very well as an accompaniment, especially with fish curry and boiled rice. So please do try it out. It's very easy and yummy. Let me know in the comment section. Ingredients, as always, mentioned in the description box along with the method. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Also, there will be links provided to the mud pots. If you wish to purchase, just click on the link.